Today I am trying to make an omelette using a fan heater to see if it can actually cook an egg. Don't mind the mess, but this is a heater that I'm going to use. Let's just switch it on now. Okay, so how do I do this? Oh my gosh, don't mind the messy room, guys. Like, come on. Let's just put this on maximum and let's hand this way. So I'm kind of holding the camera because I'm using my phone and I'm doing this whole thing at the same time. So I'm just going to take the oil. I'm just going to put a bit in here, a bit more. Okay, I think this is more than enough. Let me just I'll leave it like this. And then I'm thinking of using one egg so I don't actually waste. Which one should I use? Mini, mini, more? I choose you. Okay. Okay, buddy. So let me just break this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not how it was supposed to look, but how else was I supposed to do it with one hand, guys? How else? Let me just remove this because we don't want, I think I saw a bit go under. Let's remove this. Let's remove, oh my gosh, I know it looks like there's stains on the plate, but come on, like, okay, one tiny shell won't do anything. So let me just, yeah, and then you obviously want to add a bit of salt. I think that's enough, and we're going to take this and put it here, and we wait. So we're just going to wait for the chemistry to happen. So I had to put a bit of a stand so that the heat really gets to the egg. A few months later. Wait, why does this low-key sound better when SpongeBob's doing it?
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this because I kind of feel like a dark lab scientist right now.
The next day.
Oh my gosh, I need to talk about this. So I really like cooking shows, like cooking competitions, and I watch a lot of Gordon Ramsay competitions a lot, but I'm not a pro cook. Like, I'm literally not a pro chef. I'm far from that, and I've been thinking there should be a show, at least, or maybe I don't know, so please tell me if there is, like a show that literally just grooms people, like trains the worst of cooks into the best. And yeah, something like a competition for like people who have no clue what they're doing. And yeah, I'm really looking for that type of show. So if you know anything, please link me up. I would really want to take part in something like that. Like, I'm obsessed with cooking shows. I watch MasterChef, I watch Next Level Chef, I love Hell Kitchen, I love Beat Bobby Flay. You know, the problem I have with this heater is it barely does anything for this very small room. Like, it doesn't do much. And
1,000 years later.
okay, I'm not doing this. I'm actually like, I'm literally not waiting for this. My stomach has been grumbling and it's been an eternity. I'm not waiting for this. If you want to see an omelette, a fan heater omelette, then go get yourself a fan heater and cook yourself one, because I'm not doing this. Anyways, microwave to the rescue. Proof that I ate.